Daddy. Hello.
Good morning. Whose place
Hello,
you fucking...
Dad.
This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker. This is a workplace, bitch. Find out who I am. And find out who I work with. And find out where you're fucking calling. And then we'll change your fucking mind, bitch.
I like to suck your cocky.
You know who you're fucking with? You know where you're fucking with?
Yeah.
You know who you're fucking with? You know where you're fucking with?
Who the fuck?
This is a
fuck
fucking
you?
workplace, you
Shut your
cocksucker.
fucking mouth, you twit.
What you fucking know is this? I'm just here. What fucking number you talking about, bro?
Oh, this is PC Plot.
You call at the wrong time, fucking with the wrong person.
You need to do it again.
The fucking police will be all over your ass.
You fucking open your ass and shove my cock up your ass.
The money is a fucking war.
Hello, baby.
You fucking faggot.
You fucking cunt, you.
Go fuck yourself,
You want
dirty
your
ass
fucking
bitch.
phone bill, you
Go
fucking
fuck
mug.
yourself.
You black cunt.
Go fuck yourself.
Hello?
Good morning. You call at
Good
the
morning.
wrong time, fucking with the wrong person. You know how many fucking people work here? This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker.
Sorry?
This is a workplace, bitch.
Hang on, I'll get him out. It's for you.
Fucking bitch. The money is a fucking war.
motherfucker.
Hey, how are you?
This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker.
Are you okay?
This is a workplace, bitch.
I know, he's very angry. You need
I'm
to
gonna
calm
let the police
down.
fucking trace what
Have
the
you got a
fucking
bomb?
talk or we haven't call ID.
Sorry?
Go fuck your mother, bitch.
Now stop swearing.
Fucking bitch.
I can finish this now.
Tell me to have a cup of tea, not the bed.
Oh, I won't say your real name. Claire says have a cup of tea and go to
Motherfucker.
bed.
Dirty ass bitch.
You too?
Cocksucker.
Yes.
Good
Hello.
morning. What? Good morning.
What do you want?
Find out who I am. This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker.
I fuck your iPhone, motherfucker.
You know how many fucking people
You
work here?
bullshit.
You know who you're
You
fucking with, you know where you're
bullshit.
fucking with.
I wanna fuck your iPhone.
You don't
Every
wanna
day.
fuck with
I
us.
fuck your mama. Fuck your
wanna
papa.
bump to the
Whole family. And
This
this
is a
time.
workplace, bitch.
Son of a bitch. Fucking
Come over
shit,
here.
you.
This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker.
Huh?
Huh? Good morning.
Hi.
This is a fucking workplace, you cocksucker.
What you want?
This is a workplace, bitch. You know who
Motherfucker.
you're fucking with, you know where you're
Motherfucker,
fucking with.
bitch.